welcome to Playtime Toy Unboxing. We're here with Kyla and our glitter glider princess.
We finished building this.
Exactly, we built a beautiful, beautiful castle. And click the link to check out the other video. And let's open up our new princess. What's the princess's name?
Aurora.
Aurora, and we have some.
I've been wanting to open this at night.
You want me to help you?
No, I got it.
Oh, you got it. Good job.
It's easy. Didn't mean they could be so easy.
We have to name her little pet. What should we name her or him?
It's a boy.
It's a boy?
I think he has wheels too. He does.
He does? That's exciting.
But he's stuck.
Let me help.
And she's stuck.
Can I help you?
She's stuck.
She's stuck? Let's try to get her out. There she is. Beautiful princess.
I don't have Aurora.
And here's a little owl friend. He has a ball on the bottom.
This guy Pip.
There he goes. And now they can all dance.
What about Aurora?
Go ahead, put on her dress. And let her glide down.
Glider down, glider down.
Oh, hello, Aurora. I'm Cinderella.
Hi, Cinderella. I already know your name.
Oh, silly me. I'm so happy you came to my palace.
Yes, it looks so wonderful.
Thank you so much. Do you want to slide down?
Yeah.
Let's go all the way on top. Wow, that was wonderful. Oop. Hey, Kyla.
Sorry.
You tripped me.
Sorry.
Don't do it again. Oh, hello. What should we name the owl, Kyla?
Alula.
Alula?
Pip.
Pet?
Pip.
Pip? We should name her Pip. And what's the mouse's name?
Pip.
Pip. So it's Pip and Pip.
I already know this.
Pit and Pip. Alright, so Aurora and Cinderella going to dance.
Cinderella.
Yes.
Where's the dining room where you? I heard you're having a tea party with your friends.
I am. Would you like to join?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. Let's
Come
go.
on, Pip.
Come on, Pip. Hey, girls. I brought my friend Aurora to join us for a beautiful tea party. Hey, Aurora. Hi, Aurora. Hello. Hi there.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Oh, and this is Aurora's friend. Aurora, what's his name again?
Pip.
Pip. Girls, say hi to Pip. Hi, Pip. Hello, Pip. Hey, Pip. He is so wonderful. Oh, I love it. Girls, would you like to watch us while we slide? Sure. Come on, let's go.
Come on. What about your pet, Cinderella? You forgot your pet.
Come on, Pip.
Pip.
Pip. Oh, this is so fun. excited that you came to my palace. You have no idea. We're gonna be best friends forever.
Yeah.
Ha! It is me, Prince Philip.
Aurora,
Ah, yes.
the prince is here.
It is me. Hello there.
Prince Philip, Aurora fell asleep.
Oh, and I came to see her. Now what? Perhaps I will return later.
Well, you're always more than welcome to come and join us for a tea party. All my friends are here.
Oh, that would be lovely. Let's go.
My carriage will take you there.
Wonderful. Let's go.
Got it. And off they go to the princess party.
You didn't make it close. This is how it closes.
Is that how it closes?
This is how it closes into the edge.
Oh. See, we didn't know. Now we know. Ah, we have arrived at the tea party.
Let's go! Look at me, guys. I'm still Aurora.
You're not gonna be Aurora for much longer.
What have you done?
She
What have
didn't
you
listen
done?
to me. And now she's no longer a princess.
What is she? What have you done? You must bring her back to me at once.
Aurora back to.
I will
cannot
get her
do
back.
that because
Do not
she
worry.
did not listen to me. She did not obey my rules. So she has to be punished.
She might listen.
Princesses, do you think I should bring Aurora back?
Yes.
Or should I leave her as a servant?
Bring her back.
I will think about it.
Evil woman, I will defeat you at once.
What happened? That's right. If you obey me, Queen Elsa, you will be punished and turned into...
What have you done to me?
a snowman.
My nose.
Elsa,
What?
give back Prince Philip and Aurora. Because she doesn't want to be like this.
I don't want to be a snowman either.
Well, the next time you guys have to think about obeying my rules and my commands because I am the queen and I have magic powers.
Okay, I understand.
Fine.
Mine.
Go into the carriage. And at midnight, what's the matter, Cinderella?
My dress! She took it!
Who?
Aurora!
Okay, Olaf
What?
and you
Yeah?
go into the carriage and I will do my powers. Back.
Okay.
That's weird.
That was weird, right?
It was magic.
I told you Elsa brought them back.
Haha! It is I! Once again, I have returned!
And me.
Excellent! We're all here! Wait, we're missing one person.
Me.
Where is your dress?
Aurora's playing. Aurora's wearing it.
Please, you must get dressed at once and let's go to the palace and glide.
Oh, I'm so happy you're back, Aurora. We missed you. That evil Elsa changed you and made you not a princess.
Yeah.
And Philip, how did it feel to be a snowman?
Very cold, but I'm okay. Haha, because I'm Prince Philip. Haha.
Princesses, because of all this evil magic, I now invite you all to my palace for a dance party.
And so
they don't
all
have
the
wheels.
princesses went. They don't have wheels, but it was alright. Their dresses were just as lovely.
Okay, thanks for watching. We enjoyed having a playtime with Aurora and Cinderella and their friends. This was fun. Elsa was a little evil today. I wonder why. We're gonna have to have a talk with her, right? Yeah. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Cinderella welcomed Aurora in this beautiful dress. And
I've been wanting to open it.
Yeah. And now you finally get to open it and her new pet. I hope you guys enjoyed it and we'll see you soon. Subscribe to see more videos. Don't forget. We love you guys.
That video was awesome. Click the boxes to see even more. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you had fun. And also click here to subscribe to our channel for new videos every day.